Hi friends, today we find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial using the graph. So next draw the graph of p of x is equal to x square minus 1 and find its zeros. Find its zeros, justify your answer. So to draw the graph of p of x equal to x square minus 1, so we have to need ordered pairs. So how to prepare ordered pairs? So let to be taken as y is equal to x square minus 1. So we prepare table of solution. Table of solution. We take for independent values of x. Here x. So before here. So we take x square. Then after minus 1. X square minus 1 to be taken as y x comma y. So we divide the polynomial as according to the terms x square minus 1. So first we take for independent values of x. So we take minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we take independent values x as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then x square values becomes minus 3 square 9, minus 2 square 4, minus 1 square 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. Here minus 1 is constant, so we take all columns as minus 1. Then y which is equal to x square minus 1 values. So we add x square minus 1 values, that is which is equal to y. Here 9 minus 1 which is equal to 8, 4 minus 1 which is equal to 3, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 1 3, 9 minus 1 which is equal to 8. Which is equal to 8. So now we take x comma y values. X comma y values become minus 3 comma 8. So this is minus 2 comma 3, minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma minus 1, 1 comma 0, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 8. Now plot these points on graph sheet paper. So we get, so what are the points? Minus 3 comma 8, minus 2 comma 3, minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma minus 1, 1 comma 0, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 0, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 8. Now plot these points on a graph sheet paper. Here origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x axis, x dash, that is y axis, y dash. Here we take x minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, Here y values to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So first we plot to minus 3 comma 8 point. So this point belongs to Q2 quadrant. So where we locate this point? So here with x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. So where we locate this point? Here. So if we perpendicular taken so perpendicular to minus 3 and perpendicular to 8, these two perpendicular lines meet at this point, minus 3 comma 8. Then after minus 2 comma 3, where we locate? Here minus 2, here plus 3. So the 2 points, that 2 line meet at point is here. Where minus 1 comma 0, here y coordinate is 0, that point to be taken on x axis, negative x axis, minus 1 comma 0. Then after 0 comma minus 1, where we locate this point? Here x coordinate is 0 to be taken on y axis, minus 1 comma 0. Then after 1 comma 0, where we locate this point? So this point belongs to Q1 positive x axis, 1 comma 0. 2 comma 3 belongs to Q1, 2, 3. 3 comma 8, 3, 8. It is also belongs to Q1, 3, 8. Now plot these points. Now, so plot these are so here now plot by joining the points on a graph sheet paper. So the curve is obtained. So this curve intersect the x-axis at two different points. What are the points? A minus 1 comma 0, B 1 comma 0. So the x coordinate of these points are minus 1 comma 1. So these are the zeros of the polynomial. These are the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros. So justification or algebraic justification. To find zeros of p of x, take p of x equal to 0. What is p of x? X square minus 1 equal to 0. So here x square of minus 1 equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So x plus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. Here x equal to minus 1 or x equal to plus 1. Therefore minus 1 and plus 1 are the zeros. So this is the graphical representation. So this is the algebraical representation. So in both two methods, so the zeros are same. Okay. So today we have finished quadratic polynomial having two zeros. How to find quadratic polynomial having two zeros? Thank you.